Oh! That was pretty sick.
Can't block, bitch.
Baby Rod. Alright, that was nice. That was nice. I like that one. That was a legit one. There it is. That was it. Son, that was it. You see it catch that water and just throws it. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Dude, take out Caleb. That thing is nuts. I bet that motor is hot right now. So you can't have this much fun with $250 hooker.
Woo!
No, but look, hold on, let's see. I bet you that front end did what it's supposed to.